Talofa lava. As we mark the conclusion of the two-day Commonwealth Women's Forum, we celebrate the launch of the Resilient Spirit Portraits of Samoa Women Warriors initiative. This initiative serves as a powerful and fitting finale, honoring the women who have shaped and continue to shape our nation. These women are the embodiment of resilience, strength, and leadership, the very pillars of Samoa's progress. This moment is a testament to the legacy of service and dedication that these women represent. As the Samoan proverb reminds us, o le ala I le pule, o le tautua. The path to leadership is through service. May their stories and contribution continue to inspire future generations. Before we continue, it is my privilege to share a very special message from Her Excellency, the Honourable Sam Mostyn, Governor-General of the Commonwealth of Australia. Talofa lava. I am delighted to send my warm greetings to everyone attending the Commonwealth Women's Forum. I am deeply sorry I cannot join you in Apia for this important event. Congratulations and best wishes to the organizers, speakers, and attendees. The stories, ideas, and experiences that emerge from this conference will be a vital and wonderful source of inspiration and progress for the years ahead. Samoa's leadership on gender equality has brought about substantial national progress in education, politics, and public service. In your example, we see how doors open for everyone when bright, passionate women lead the way. Samoa's Pui National Prevention Framework for Ending Violence Against Women and Girls, which you launched during these proceedings, is a substantial national initiative to end gender-based violence. With the moving Let It End With Me campaign to engage youth in the pursuit of a culture of nonviolence, Samoa is moving with purpose to end the scourge of violence against women and girls. As you enjoy the exhibition of Resilient Spirit, Portraits of Samoa Women Warriors, may these powerful portraits of Samoan mothers and women empower your own journey to advance gender equality for all. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, it is with great pride that we acknowledge our partnership with the Government of Australia and UNICEF Pacific in this significant occasion. We are honoured to welcome Samoa's first female Prime Minister, the Honourable Fiame Naomi, a true embodiment of the strength and resilience of our women warriors. It is my privilege to invite her to share a few words and officially unveil the Resilient Spirit Portraits of Samoa Women Warriors.
Today, we gather to honor and celebrate the remarkable spirit of Samoan women. Women who have overcome challenges, broken barriers, and woven their legacies into the heart of our nation. It is with pride and reverence that I unveil the Fiame Naomi, Resilient Spirit, Portraits of Samoa Women Warriors initiative. This honors the women who have shaped our past, sustain our present, and will lead us into a future of strength and equality. In unveiling these stories, we do more than recount history. We amplify the voices of Samoan women who have been pillars of resilience, wisdom, and courage. These 12 Samoan women warriors, selected by the Ministry of Women, Community and Social Development, reflect the essence of who we are as Samoans. In the coming days, 18 more warriors will be revealed, each contributing to Samoa's journey of progress. While we celebrate these women, they symbolize many others who have led with vision and grace. This initiative highlights their contributions, but does not diminish the impact of countless women whose leadership continues to shape our nation. Reflecting on yesterday's Commonwealth Women's Forum, I am reminded of the powerful dialogue that called for greater connection, collaboration, and celebration of women across the Commonwealth. It reinforced the need to unite and continue our shared work in promoting gender equality, not just as a goal, but as a lived reality. The Resilient Spirit Initiative, inspired by the Voices of International Women's Day 2024, is a testament to the strength and courage of Samoan women. Gender equality is woven into our cultural identity, with Samoan women guiding our nation with integrity and vision from the earliest days of our history. As I present these first 12 warriors, I urge you not just to see their faces, but to feel the spirit and power of every woman who has stood in their place. Let their resilience and leadership inspire us to ensure that gender equality remains a lived reality, shaping our society for generations to come. I proudly present to you Fiame Naomi, Resilient Spirit, Portraits of Samoan Women Warriors. The first Toa Salamasina Tamato Maliatoa. A monumental figure in Samoan education, culture and faith. Toa Salamasina Tamato Maliatoa dedicated over 50 years to shaping young women's futures as the first Samoan principal of Papauta Girls College. She is the first and only woman in Samoa to have a building named in her honor. The Ministry of Women, Community and Social Development in Apia, and her legacy of leadership and service continues to inspire generations. The Mau women. The Mau women were instrumental in Samoa's fight for independence. Leading peaceful protests and advocating for justice. Their courage continues to resonate, inspiring women to take active roles in social and political movements. Ngā whanua. Ngā whanua is the legendary war goddess of Samoa, stands as a symbol of strength and strategic brilliance. Her leadership and prophecies continue to inspire women to embrace resilience and bold leadership in modern Samoa. Titles unified Samoa in the 16th century, and Nafanua's reign was characterized by peace and diplomacy, elevating the role of women in leadership and leaving an enduring legacy of unity and strength. Masiofo Laulu Fitawi Manamau Mataafa. She was Samoa's first female High Commissioner to New Zealand, was a staunch advocate for women's rights and education. Her relentless pursuit of gender equality and empowerment has left a lasting impact on generations of Samoan women, and she also happens to be my mum. Le au pepe tau le papa fai mala. Le au pepe was Samoa's first female parliamentarian and deputy speaker, broke ground for women in governance, and her legacy in promoting gender equality and justice in Samoan politics and law continues to inspire. Tau le papa, Brenda Heather Latu. Samoa's first female Attorney General is known for her unwavering commitment to legal reform and justice. She fought corruption, championed electoral integrity, and left an indelible mark on Samoa's justice system. And our moderator today. Dr. Fanafi Aiono Letangaloa. Aiono was Samoa's first female director of education, transformed bilingual education in Samoa. Her pioneering work in preserving Ngangana Samoa, Samoan language, continues to shape Samoan education and cultural identity. Ele Opelonge. Ele is Samoa's first Olympic medalist, brought honor to Samoa with her silver in weightlifting at the 2008 Beijing Olympics. As the first woman from Oceania to achieve this feat, she remains a champion for women's empowerment in sports. Siliniu Lina Chang. Siliniu is the president of the Samoa Victims Support Group and has been a tireless advocate for the rights of abused victims. Her work over the past 15 years has transformed lives and sparked movements for justice and healing across Samoa. Niava Mata Tuatangaloa. Niava is Samoa's first female district and Supreme Court judge, is a pioneering force in the judiciary. Her dedication to justice and equality continues to pave the way for women in law, symbolizing strength and perseverance. Finally, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to our partners, Australia, and UNICEF. This partnership goes beyond today's event, as these portraits will form the basis of a two-part documentary and a book to further honor and document the incredible contributions of Samoan women. Together we are celebrating the past, present, and future of Samoa's women. And we are proud to have your ongoing collaboration as we tell these stories to the world. Thank you. Soifua Maia Manuia.